Well, hello there. Isn't it a beautiful day? Because it's Friday and time for Friday Focus. I'm Laura Berman Forking, master credentialed coach, 5-time best-selling author, and TEDx speaker with almost 2 million views. So happy that you are here joining me today, and I hope every Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern. Today, once again, ripped straight from the headlines of my coaching practice, we are going to talk about the identity of becoming a business owner. I work with a lot of people to figure out what they want to do with their life. A lot of time it's starting their own business. And I work with small business owners who are ready to scale. This week I had someone who's a corporate employee who is ready to go out on their own and have their own business. And boom, reality sets in. Oh no, security. Oh no, I'm not good at this. Oh no, I'm so used to being a solo contributor. I don't know how to be a business owner. That's an identity crisis in itself. In this case, we worked on what's true right now. What's true is I'm learning. I'm learning how to be a business owner. I'm learning the business. I have advisors. I have mentors in place. I'm planning out my new business. All those things are true, and all those things will get you out of being stopped by the identity crisis. A solo practitioner, a coach, a consultant, someone who has a service-based business that they deliver one-on-one. It's a whole other mindset to go from a solo practitioner to a business owner. It is a mindset shift to go from I serve people one-on-one to I bring the knowledge and the results that I create to many. There's two separate pieces, this identity and this identity. We want to bring them together. Like a Venn diagram, there's a crossover. And that crossover that's true now, you have your skills, you have your results. Now what's going to change are the operations, the things that you need to have present to have a sustainable business. The way to get those two, what appear to be conflicting identities to cross over is to find what's true now and what they both have in common. And that's you. You can do this. I have a free masterclass coming up the week of May 8th for people who want to go from solo practitioner to sensational brand. You want to be there. Go check out the link and register. And those of you on Instagram, you can do that at the link in my bio. So take that away this week, everybody. Just think about what it is that you're trying to get to next and what's true now. You can do this. Happy Friday. See you next week for Friday Focus, 10 a.m. Eastern every week.